Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's mukbang is about suppers. I got karo there, egg fouillon, salad, cucumber salad, piece of chicken, supper sui, sausage, and I think potato salad down there. Did I say potato salad? Saturday today guys, so the house is pretty quiet because all my kids the older kids have taken the younger kids up to lunch, and the other two's gone to work. Yeah, so I thought rolling the sleeve up to get this going. Okay, got me a new tissue box for my serviette. Tissue boxes are quite handy. You can get them for like $1 a box, and how many's in there? About 100 tissues. So it's like a bargain, you know. Yeah, so got the cordial, pineapple cordial, guys. Cheers. Nice. Oh yeah. So I got my Watties tomato sauce. And I also got the coleslaw. Why I like the coleslaw, praise coleslaw, is because it's sweet, and I want it for my cucumber salad. Yeah, and tomato sauce. I'll just put it over. Don't always. Anyway, so just put it over there. So when I want to dip anything, the tomato sauce is all waiting for me. Anyway, I thank the good Lord, because without him I wouldn't even be eating this kind of food. And it's time to dig in. Dig. What you got? What you guys got there? Hey? Gotta get some food when you watch mukbang sometimes, because when I watch mukbang, oh la la. This is some sui. Oh yeah, okay, it's meat. I thought it was muli babies that they made it from. I don't like muli babies, and if it is, I am. Check it out. Okay. You hear any banging? It's my husband trying to get his bouquet together. You know, banana bouquet. He tries and tries. I say to him, I'll get you this recipe, and oh no, I want to do it myself. Okay. Do it himself, do what the man says, let him do it himself. And how many times has he tried this? They're all the same. Fail. Yeah. Anyway, cheers. Guys, this your one. Oh, tasty. Oh, it's got a lot of ginger in it too. Nice. I remember suppers back in the days when I used to go to this. If the band is good and the supper's nice, yeah, you got those people coming back again and again. See this back in the days in the 80s? I used to go to some, but not all the time, because sometimes I like to go to a nightclub in the city, or the local ones. In Otahu. So if you're from New Zealand, you know Otahu. Yeah. There used to be a nightclub there that I used to go to when I was just a little wee. I wasn't even supposed to be entering those doors, but I did. The kalo for the supper sui. Yeah, mà để củ dông liệt là mà. Cái này sắp bắt đầu bị hungry. We went and picked these up from outside Mary's. Fundraising for Faye City Youth Group. pretty good food. When you do the food and you do it good, tasty, people will look out for you when you sell it again. A while back ago, my sister and I used to sell suppers. And the thing is, back then, I forgot when it was, probably 1999. See, it is handy to have a tomato sauce around. Really good. Udah ay fama na yan. You know, when you have plans to do something, I think the best thing to do is, you know, to fundraise. You know, like to make suppers and sell. Anyway, I think supper's food is quite nice. Some people don't like ginger in their supper sweet. I like it both ways, doesn't matter. Worth or without. But the Sivas these days, no. You have to buy your suppers on the side. When Sivas back in the days, you're going to get a free supper. Why not? What a bonus. To go there, hang out with people you know, get your supper, or get your groove on first, get your groove on, and then get your supper, either eat it there or take it home. And most of the time, because after, when I used to go see Vids, I continue on to a nightclub or so I always used to get my suppers away and then regret it after. And I think, I got no food now. Yeah. But what can you do? Once you start eating it in the sieve, you get full and then you don't feel like having a drink again. And the night was still young. My sister and I, we used to half the cooking up. Sure, like if we have about, you know, like three of these, 3 of the meat stuff. So we have 3, and then the gala, we will split up what we have to make. And then the following week we rotate it around. So we should sell it locally, you know. We take the orders, and we only cooked on a Thursday because this is how I saw it. It's Thursday, everyone should be paid by them. So when you sell your suppers to them, they got money. No book downs, no book downs. Don't do book downs. Because you know how we roll. Sometimes you pay, sometimes you don't. But I think the best way to do it is fundraise. And like, I think a lot of us, okay, if you're going to plan something for the end of the year, you start selling your stuff in the beginning of the year. Not halfway through the year, because you might not reach your goal. Even better, do it a year before and keep on going till the time you're going to book your flights and everything. You've got the money, you know? Someone asked me for a shout out and I didn't write down their name. And my phone is all the way over there. And the book has already been, you know, written in. You know what? I'm not going to look for that person. You know, they asked me for a shout out for the next video. So guys, I have to turn the camera off, go look for my phone, look up whoever said it. Okay. See, I'm doing this for you guys. And then this food's gonna get all cold. No. I'm gonna eat first. Oh man, a verb. See, when my stomach is happy, that's how much happiness comes out. Whoop, 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 anyway, shh, don't say anything to anybody. What's up, right? Yeah, and oh yeah, I just want to say, making supper is not hard, especially if you enjoy cooking. So it's not hard. It'll be a hard thing if it's you're not really into cooking, and if someone tells you to cook certain things, you think, excuse me, how? But if you're good at cooking, not saying that I am. But if you like to cook, you're interested to cook. So when someone tells you, can you cook this? You think, I will. Anyway. The main thing in people's suppers, hey, us islanders, it's gotta be the chicken, the supper suey. It's normally sometimes meat or pork. But it's just like supper suey, chicken and sausage. And then a little bit on the side. It's still delicious though, I'm not complaining. I love Watties tomato sauce. It's got to be Watties. And if you're from New Zealand, you know what it means. Hey, Watties, stop making that noise all the time. I can do that. Okay? When I was a kid, not that long ago, I used to, my favorite thing to eat is, you know, like a kid, is tomato sauce and hot boiled potato though, like it's just been boiled, and what is tomato sauce. It's like, It's like you got a whole heap of food in front of you and that's all you got. Tomato sauce and hot boiled potato. But to me, it was everything. Anyway, guys, I gotta go and get my phone, look up that person to do the shout out, okay? Okay, bear with me. Whatani lava, whatani atu, whaatali means go for a walk. No, whaatali means go for a walk. See, that means like they have to say me about Faye, that for me I go for a walk. Hey guys, I went to look for my phone and my husband has just finished making his bouquet. Look. Banana bouquet and coconut cream. Let's have a taste. I think he's nailed it. I think he's waiting for see what the verdict is. I should go and show him an empty plate and say, here's the verdict. But it's lovely. Okay. So nice. You know what? I don't like to cook it when it's like stiff hard. It's gotta be like this. Jingle jingle. Ding 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 ding. Anyway, let me do a shout out. Better watch it, old man. Anyway, shout out time. Okay, here we go. So, the first name I'm gonna shout out. Look, these are mainly not people with channels, okay, who I shout out. These are just viewers that stop by and comment me, and to show my appreciation for that, I like to shout them out. That's what I'm doing. And some of them have YouTube channels, so so you can just punch on the name and have a look and see if they got a channel, and if they do and they got videos and they actually do videos, it's nice to subscribe. It's nice to subscribe. If these people are viewers now, never know. They could be YouTubers in a week, in a month's time, Tip of my nose is itchy. Anyway, like I said, you guys might be doing your own videos soon. Hey, go on, be cool. Do you know what? We probably won't be watching TV unless it's like the news or other bits and pieces. Anyway, but if you haven't made a channel yet on your own videos, your contents, you should do it. You'll enjoy it. I enjoy it. And I think a lot of the tubers that's doing their Polytubers that's doing their videos, and Polytubers, YouTubers, AnyTubers, they're doing their videos, right? And they must like it, otherwise they wouldn't even be doing it, so you guys can do the same, okay? Here's the phone. Where does someone else the phone? Timing. Anyway, yes, no. You know what? He made two before, and they went, so he ate it himself. No one wanted to eat it. But this one, I think, it's got a one thumb up. Next time he's got to make it better and get two thumbs up. But that's pretty good. That's pretty good. Anyway, yeah, no. I think he needs a 1.5 thumb up. Okay, the first shout out goes to Vanessa Maniera. Thank you, Vanessa, for stopping by, leaving a comment. I appreciate it. Even if it's a thumb up or hello, whatever. Hey, I'm grateful. Thank you very much. And then Joy McFarlane. Thank you very much, Joy, for stopping by to my channel. And there's D, Malay. I don't know what the D stands for, so it might be Dennis, David, Denise. No, I don't know. I don't know what the D stands for, but you got your last name there, and it's Malay. D Malay. Hello. How are you? Notorious Benitani. Hello to you. Celiama Tonks, Antonio V. Hello, how are you? And this, oh yeah, and this is the name of the person that wanted me to shout them out in the next video, which is today, guys. It's Morisham Tiariki. Okay, Morisham Tiariki. Hello to everyone that I said hello to. I hope you guys have a good day. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever I'm going to put up this video. Okay, guys? Okay, thumbs up to all of you for stopping by and watching my video. Really, really appreciate it. You guys show so much support to us, and we appreciate it. Okay, back to my poke. Who likes poke? Do you guys like poke? I like poke. We go to Blacktown Market just to get us some poke. But now, it don't look like we have to. Because Elvis is in the movie. He can make this. Hello. Thank you for stopping by. Kia manuia, whawhitai lava, and Pulamanaka. What's goodbye for Pulamanaka? What is goodbye in Fiji? Is it Pula? I don't know. If you're Fijian, please let me know what goodbye in Fiji means, okay? Thank you very much. I have a niece that lives there. She married a handsome looking Fijian boy and decided to go there and stay there with him. Okay, bye-bye. Bye. Nice birthday.